Do you want to level up your pet waste removal business equipment without breaking the bank? I've been through the ups and downs of starting a poop scooping business, so I'm here to save you time and money with the ultimate guide to the best equipment for your pet waste removal business, all under $50. All of the Amazon links for these items are available in the description below, so you can scoop up some incredible deals and upgrade your equipment game. You can't call yourself a pooper scooper without a proper rake, and the one I've been using for years now is a GT3070 cultivator rake. The Corona GT3070 Extendable Handle Cultivator is a lightweight and sturdy tool that can help you remove any dog waste from your lawn with ease. It has a strong, lightweight aluminum handle that can be adjusted from 18 inches to 32 inches for extra reach, making it ideal for maintaining proper posture while cleaning up the yard. Weighing in at just 1.4 pounds, this rake is incredibly easy to maneuver and use. The rake features a unique no-slip grip handle, which makes it easy to use for extended periods of time. The head of the cultivator is fully heat-treated for enhanced durability and is coated with a long-lasting finish that resists chips and rust. This means you can use it for years without worrying about it breaking down or losing its effectiveness. So why should you choose a GT3070 rake for your pet waste removal business? Simply put, it's the best rake on the market for this specific task. Its unique design, durable construction, and lightweight build makes it the perfect tool for removing pet waste from grassy lawns and yards. But if you're tired of bending over or struggling with your rake in rocky or gravel areas, then the Agula Reacher Grabber tool is just what you need. This lightweight and rust-proof tool is perfect for picking up not only pet waste, but little pieces of garbage your rake can't scoop. Its 36-inch long arm increases its range. The handle of the Agula Reacher Grabber tool has a soft cover that provides a comfortable and ergonomic grip, making it easy for one hand and long-term use. And the end of the tongs has a powerful claw with teeth on the end to help you easily grab onto the smallest pieces of poop. I used to have some clients with gravel in the yards and it would take me 30+ minutes to pick up all their poop. Once I added this grabber tool to my tool belt, I've been able to cut down my scooping time in gravel yards by almost half. Looking to avoid gloving up and sparing your back from unnecessary strain? Then investing in a grabber tool is one of the best things you can do. It'll save you time and headache for challenging yards that your current rake can't handle. Speaking of essential tools for a pooper scooper, another must-have in your arsenal is the Quickie Debris Dustpan with handle. Not only is it a practical tool for cleaning up pet waste, but it'll help you clean up dog poop more effectively. When I first started, I used a separate bucket that I had to fill up with my pooper scooper tray while walking around the yard, and I wasted a lot of time having to walk back to the bucket over and over. With a large dustpan, you can get all the dog poop in one go, eliminating the need for multiple trips. A debris dustpan has a large capacity, so you can pick up several pounds of poop without having to constantly empty it out. The dustpan can swivel when there's a lot of poop inside, helping you balance all the waste easier instead of letting it fall out because of gravity. And while it's made of a durable plastic, the little snap lock connecting the handle to the pan tends to break over time with repeated use. If you're looking for reliable equipment that you'll scoop with every day, then a Quickie Debris Dustpan with handle is the way to go. Its sturdy construction, wide opening, and swivel design makes it the top choice for any pooper scooper or pet waste removal business. We got some of the essential tools out of the way, but what about accessories that will make your job even easier? As someone dealing with scoliosis and chronic back pain, finding ways to minimize strain on my lower back has been a top priority. One crucial factor is the way you stand or bend over when using your dustpan and rake. One accessory that I use specifically for my dustpan is this ergonomic handle attachment. When dealing with a dustpan full of dog poop, this handy tool has been an absolute game changer. If you've ever experienced the strain and downward pressure on your hand and wrist from a heavy dustpan, you know how it can lead to potential joint and tendon injuries in the long run. Now with the handle attached to my dustpan, it allows me to carry a heavy load in a more natural range of motion and reduces the stress I put on my joints. This handle attachment can be added to your dustpan handle in just 1 minute, and it features a rubber strip that holds tight. Its offset handle design helps me stand taller and reduces back bend by 30%. You can place the handle anywhere in the dustpan that is comfortable for your size and range of motion. That's for my bucket hand, but what about my scooping hand? During last year's spring rush, I experienced severe hand issues, including trigger finger problems. Since incorporating easy grip handles on my rake, my scooping efficiency has significantly improved. With these ergonomic handles, I now have a more comfortable grip during extended scooping sessions, reducing the strain I put my hand through. This is especially true when dealing with stubborn dog poop stuck in the grass. Looking back, I realized that adding an ergonomic handle to my rake instead of relying on the original handle could have saved me from a lot of pain. These specific handles sell out really fast, so make sure you grab them when they're available. While we're on the subject of hand protection, you should also consider consider investing in a good pair of work gloves to scoop in. I used to wear whatever kind of glove I had available, like winter gloves or nitro gloves that I can easily dispose of after an appointment. These types of gloves do not provide enough padding in the area between your thumb and index finger, and my handles would rub into this area over and over, which resulted in many calluses and blisters in that spot. Using a quality pair of work gloves will help you scoop for longer periods of time, and the leather palm provides longer lasting durability and resistance to wear and tear. And because it's really annoying to take your gloves off to answer your phone in the middle of a scoop, I love that these gloves are touchscreen so I can use my phone without having to remove my gloves. See? Like the video for touchscreen capabilities! And these gloves are machine washable so I can keep them clean after a long day. Even though we use our hands a lot in this job, we can't neglect the rest of our body. One of the key aspects of this business is being on your feet for long hours and taking hundreds, if not thousands of steps. This may cause you discomfort and sore feet when you get home. One of the best investments you can make that will increase the quality of your scoops will be getting yourself a pair of high quality shoe inserts. These premium shoe inserts are designed to increase comfort, reduce fatigue, and improve body alignment, making them a must-have for anyone in the pet waste removal industry. By reducing stress on your ankles, knees, and hips, these shoe inserts will help you feel comfortable and pain-free throughout the day. The same thing goes with your back. We spend hours bending and lifting heavy bags of poop, and if you're anything like me, you might have chronic back pain or even a herniated disc or scoliosis. Using a back support belt will provide immediate and lasting relief from back pain. This belt offers the freedom of movement you need. The Spathos belt I purchased is made with breathable fabric, so I can easily wear it under my clothes during the hot days. I've suffered from back pain since I've been a teenager, and every time I go scoop without a back brace, I immediately regret it once I get home. Using a support belt gives me the immediate pain relief I need, and it's an essential tool for any pooper scooper dealing with back pain. If you don't deal with back pain, you'll definitely have a headache if you don't keep the trunk of your car organized, so I highly suggest getting yourself a collapsible trunk organizer, one that could be easily resized to fit your needs. With multiple compartments, a trunk organizer will provide ample storage for all of your supplies, like plastic bags, gloves, cleaning products, paper towels, and whatever else you need for each scoop. Having a trunk organizer has helped me keep my trunk as tidy as possible and help minimize the downtime in between appointments when I'm looking for a pair of gloves or some plastic bags. And with your new trunk organizer, you can safely store the next two items on this list. We deal with a lot of dog poop, and dealing with pet waste odor is another value you can bring to your customers. If you're not ready to buy a wishy-wash, you have cheaper options like Simple Green Outdoor Odor Eliminator that you can offer as an add-on service or part of your basic scooping services as a way to tackle pet odors left on the grass. These types of products should be safe on grass, artificial turf, gravel, and concrete, and leave a fresh and clean environment for your customer. If you don't want to provide a deodorant or sanitizing service, you should still buy a bottle of Kennel Soul, which is a concentrated disinfectant and deodorizer that you can mix with water to soak your scooping equipment. You want to minimize how much germs are being transferred from your rake and bucket, and having a way to disinfect your equipment is one of the most important steps you really should take as a pet waste removal business. Did you know you could run your business, manage your clients, and send quotes and invoices for under $50 too? Jobber recently introduced their new Light plan, offering online invoicing and quotes for just $19 per month. Perfect for any business starting out. I use Jobber every day and I don't regret it, and neither will you. As a proud Jobber ambassador, I'm hooking you up with a free 14-day trial and a special discount. Click the link down below and get ready to level up your business with Jobber. And what's another important step you need to take? Knowing if you have all of the equipment and supplies I recommend in my starter kit by clicking this video. And I'll see you on the next scoop. And as always, acknowledge the now. Bye.